Hi, I'm Bridget from Miracle Canine Training, and today's question is dog proofing your house versus training. So when we bring a new dog into our house, we're definitely going to want to clean up some aspects of our home, making sure cords and wires are up, things of high value, toxic plants. We want to make sure our trash cans are up and out of the way. We want to make sure the dog does not have full access to the house. So dog proofing is a really good idea to get all the things that the dogs could get into and potentially cause harm to. Also, another note is looking through your backyard. If you have fencing, making sure there's no holes in your fence or spaces where dogs can dig under or get out, escape, making sure gates are secure. On the training aspect, training really comes in handy when bringing a new dog home. Utilize your crate as much as possible. You don't have eyes on your dog every second. Put your dog in the crate. Even if you're home and you're walking around, if you're gonna go throw laundry in downstairs, don't leave your house open for your dog to just have full access to it, because then they will get into trouble. So limit access to parts of your home, kind of using a baby gate, a crate, or doors. And if your dog is training, try some training sessions in the home. Try using your bed stays, get them on a solid bed stay to kind of get them in a spot they can kind of just relax. Keep eyes on them the whole time. Dogs are like toddlers. You turn your back for 1 second and they might be getting into something which could rack up a quick vet bill or destroy your house. Just keep an eye on things in your house. Like if you were to have a toddler come in, what would you put up then? Same thing with a dog. Basically, it all comes down to managing and making sure that everything harmful is up, but also managing your dog by keeping eyes on it and not letting it be this wild beast in your home. Big thing dogs love for some reason is to chew on cords, which could lead to electrocution or some of your expensive electronics being ruined. So first, we're going to look for any cords on the floor that our dogs could potentially chew. Make sure those are up and kind of just manage where we're leaving things and keeping a good eye on things. Your trash can should be nice and firm. You'll be surprised that dogs can learn how to push this down. So either having your trash can in a cabinet or up, or generally just keeping your dog out of the kitchen so they cannot get into the trash. And of course, dogs love toilet water. The taste is just immaculate. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure all the toilet lids are down or the doors to our bathroom are closed. And here, medicine is a novelty for dogs. If they get the medicine, a lot of dogs can unscrew the cap and get into medications. So keeping medications up and far away from them is key to success in a new home. So all in all, utilize your managing skills, get into some training if you can, and do not take your eyes off your dog. Do not just let them run free in your home, and utilize your crate for the safest possible intro into your new home.